main thing is to be yourself and not allow people to disturb you, to be different because they want you to be different. You gotta be yourself. You need more than anything a very clear mind to understand exactly when is the moment to be aggressive, when is the moment to be calculating.
What helps me is to keep the hard times in the front of my mind.
Do something great with this life that you have been given. You may have been through a lot in your life. You may have been through hell in your life. But hell doesn't own you. Hell did not create you.
And I play angry. Now, I'm cool and calm. It's my ambition, of course. Why not? I could do it, yeah.
As a matter of fact, tomorrow's already made up its mind. You have this moment. You can't worry about yesterday because yesterday is not coming back to look for you. Whatever you had the chance to do yesterday won't come back.
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself of a time when in spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when
How bad. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, I'm so sorry.
The key with me is just always finding what the anchor is. And the anchor is getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning every day before anybody else. I love and I respect you guys.